Alright, so Holly ordered Abby this new toy. First, we're showing off the kitten that was almost mine. That was supposed to be my kitten. And that's Lily, who doesn't like to not be the center of attention. So anyway, this is a
Neonate Baby.
Neonate Baby. Holly saw this on Instagram a year ago and thought it was adorable. And so she ordered it on a website. She actually ordered 3 of them, but they sell out so quickly. So even though it was in her shopping cart, did you pay for it and they gave you a refund?
They don't charge till they ship.
They don't charge till they ship.
So they called me and said the other 2 were no longer available.
So apparently these sell out like crazy. So she did manage to get one. So Abby is going to open the box. I don't understand it. So you like feed the baby? Is that the point?
Here, give me this.
It came in a really nice box, and then they gave this free baby blanket for whatever reason. So what is it?
Oh, I gotta
Lily's
take this
like,
tape off.
let me see it.
No, wait, Mom, I have to take this tape off.
I will help you.
It's a cute little container. So is it like an alien baby?
Yes.
Let me see. Oh my gosh, it is adorable. So how much did you pay for this? Like $29.99 or?
Yeah, something around there. Yeah, it might have been. Yeah.
No, come out!
It's cute packaging. It's like a little alien spaceship bubble thing.
Oh, it's stuck in. We gotta take it out.
Is it stuck with
It has
that
a wire in
sticky-
it.
The wire?
There's like a wire.
Oh yeah. Alright, so this box. Is that a drawer that here? What is this? This pulls out? Okay.
What is that?
I don't know.
Rest your
That's
baby
So you
here
don't
to
wanna
keep him
destroy the
calm
box.
in the zen
So you
zone.
gotta be careful you don't destroy the box.
Why do they not
Look at
make
these
these
little
things easy?
Yeah, oh my god, that is cute. That's so small. So you can't find these in stores, right? You can only order them
Correct.
from
Well,
the website.
I guess there's supposed to be like stores, but it's like not in Missouri. Or it might be like in California, or I believe the company that makes the stroller, it's the strollerusa.com. I believe this company's in Mexico.
According to Haley, Mexico's famous for ketchup.
For ketchup?
I wanted that one.
They're all kind
I
of.
like the colors on that one.
I didn't understand when she first ordered it, but they
I
are.
like
they
the
are
colors.
adorable.
I like the colors on that one. That was the one I was gonna originally get because the one in the picture looked weird. They didn't look like this in the picture. They didn't have like the cool colors.
Are you gonna order more? Like, will they send it to you when they come
The
in?
2 that I did not get to get, they were limited edition. I will no longer be able to get those.
All right, so it also comes with a certificate. What is that?
Little sticker. You put the photo. I'm pretty sure you put the photo right there.
And then some sheets. Yeah, open that up. See what that is. I do love when the babies have like adoption certificates and stuff.
When I got my baby alive one, they had a certificate and I just never filled it out.
Like, were you supposed to mail it in to get it like officially stamped or whatever?
No.
All right, so this is like.
I can't do this.
All right, so identification guide,
Is the photo gonna be like right there? Is that a tattoo? I don't know.
height and weight chart, because apparently it's gonna grow, which we know it's not. So if it does,
Don't
that'd be
underestimate toys.
good. All right. Here's the birth certificate, city and county.
It's telling us what it's gonna weigh in 5 years.
Lily, come on, I'll pick you up. Is Haley ignoring you? This dog is so high maintenance.
Child's first name. Is it a female or a boy? Like, what's the
Is it a
male?
boy?
Look at
Okay.
She has to be held or she'll
Let's
be
name
annoying.
it. What should we name it?
his name is on the box.
Fred. Name it Fred.
This is Lazuki. Lazuki.
Okay, I'm gonna put the real name. Just name it.
Oh, Lily, stinky dog breath.
I know, cats smell good, but
Oh
dogs
my
don't.
god, I'm gonna have to put this dog down.
Lily, come here.
I'm almost done.
Abby gets the dog.
I'm sorry, my parents don't like it. And Jenny doesn't like it.
I love the dog. She wants me. See, she's
No.
whining for me.
No!
It's interesting. Vaccination and neo-vax. Oh.
She got up there.
She just has to be the center. Yes. Fine, I'll pick you up. Come here. Ooh. And the scissors go down.
No, I thought that was
Holly's
better.
having difficulty getting the baby out of the box.
She's gotta make sure it looks. Are you gonna throw up? Mom, do we glue this like right here? Or that's
Is it not a sticker? Is it a sticker? I bet it's a sticker.
tattoo. I don't know what it is. It's not a sticker.
Okay, trying to get him back in and save the box.
All right, so forget saving the box.
No, I've got it saved. I'm just saying.
Maybe you don't need the box for it. Oh my god, that's adorable. And it has an umbilical cord. That's kind of weird. It has an umbilical cord.
Is it supposed to poop?
I don't know.
I'm gonna see if it has a hole that poops.
All right, take the diaper off. See if it's
Okay, no, it doesn't.
no hole.
Got a little
Wait, where's the...
touche.
It does have a little touche.
All right, the box is saved.
Oh, and look, it has like a baby. What's it called? Like when you're in the hospital and you have a little hospital band. What is that called? An ID bracelet? It's got a little ID bracelet on. It smells good. It smells like a plastic toy, but it's not gross plastic.
No, but like...
Does it smell like a baby? Let me
It
try
smells
again.
good. It doesn't
Okay,
smell
so
like
It
plastic.
does smell good.
So these babies, they're called Nerlies because they're essentially premature.
Okay.
So they require the most extreme and special care of any of the neonate
Feels really
babies
good.
in the nursery.
It feels like really good.
As soon as you receive your baby, you have to hug and kiss it, then immediately place it in the incubator.
Place it in the incubator.
Make sure it has the nursery bracelet on.
Yes, it's bracelet on.
You're not supposed to touch the... What?
Don't touch the umbilical cord?
Do not touch your baby for 2 or 3 days. If you can't wait, you can take it out for 30 seconds, but immediately put it back into the incubator because it can get sick.
Okay, that's being a little ridiculous.
It's
The umbilical cord's crooked.
We are
So,
terrible parents.
you have to have
We've
that-
already, we have contaminated
There
the
you go.
baby with our bacteria.
Yeah, you gotta keep that connected.
And then what do? How's the milk
Yeah,
go out of
absolutely
it?
nothing. I don't think it really comes out.
Oh.
Was there a bandage? There's supposed to be a bandage. There's the bracelet. Hold
I
on.
don't see a Band-Aid.
The belly button requires special care.
Do we have to take it off?
No, don't take it off. That's the umbilical cord. Don't take it off.
Does it grow or something?
Well, I don't have a... Did we have a Band-Aid?
I didn't see a Band-Aid. There's a pacifier and a baby blanket. I did not see a Band-Aid.
How you have to leave it in its mouth?
No. Look, in there.
Wait, what's that?
What's that?
No, it's just part of the box. Sorry, Holly. No Band-Aid.
I think we should just take it off and let it bleed out.
You're not very careful with your baby.
All right. So it's fed through the umbilical cord.
Okay.
What are you supposed to do? What's this Band-Aid supposed to look like?
Feeding it to it.
Now I have dog hair in my mouth. Oh my god.
Yeah, so really, you're...
This does nothing but sit here. Is
Yeah.
it essentially?
Can I take it off? Is that what you're supposed to do? Take the umbilical cord out?
Although rare, instances of babies arriving with poopy diapers has been reported. Did you check its diaper?
It was not a poopy diaper.
We did not have a poopy
It doesn't even
diaper.
have a hole for it to poop.
Yes.
Look, I'm just telling you. So yeah, there's your baby.
So it essentially does nothing.
So I'm taking the umbilical cord
But
out.
I mean, if you were a kid, you would take care of it, and you might take this instruction seriously.
But at
Just
least
because-
the baby
just
alive
because-
poops. This one doesn't
Just
even
because
poop.
we're older, we don't take it seriously.
Abby,
Can I
do
take
you-
it out?
Abby, do you think it should have a pooping feature? It's kind of.
Does it
It's
smell
kind of
good?
gross. I mean, if it was like chocolate poop, you could eat it.
I thought your baby alive went.
Oh, it smells good. Did you smell
It
it?
does smell.
My baby life does poop, but it's a really scary
see
baby.
This is adorable. I mean, I do
No,
have to
it's-
agree. It is adorable. Show you.
No, it's probably geared more towards like an 8-year-old instead of a
Does.
12-year-old.
It is adorable.
Someone who wants to do make believe, that would be good. But does it actually do these things? No, it's more make believe.
So if anyone, this is like the classic milk, and then oh my god,
Disappearing
it's
act.
disappearing. Where did it go? Where did it
No,
go?
wait. It has types of babies on the
yes,
side.
there's
It's all gone. Now we have to get a new milk bottle because it's all gone. Wait. It's came back. This is what we had as kids. This was our entertainment as a kid. Forget the baby. We had pink baby bottles that
I'm
did
pretty
this.
sure we have a lightweight baby.
And we'd always be like, where did the milk go? Where?
Ginny, I think we
Sorry,
got a
we were
lightweight.
easily amused. You got a what?
I think we got a lightweight. I'm pretty sure like the different types of these, certain ones of them are poopy diapers.
Yeah. It's cute, but
Yeah,
it's, so
I
we
thought-
ordered these girls, but they were sold out.
I was under the impression that it would
See,
actually.
this is an exclusive one. So the
go to
2
the
girls
bathroom.
sold out. Well, there are. If you go on the
All right,
webpage, there are other ones. So
Let's see it.
maybe you can get one that poops. But
is-
our baby does not
It
poop.
doesn't.
Our
But the
baby
umbilical cord is
is a
kinda
good
weird.
baby. I'm gonna take it out.
Don't take the umbilical cord.
That's what you're supposed to do.
No,
No.
I don't know that it. You might
It's
break
crooked.
it. I mean, you might break it. It's not saying
leave
that
it.
it should come out. All right, that's it. Unless you have a bunch of paperwork.
No, it does have a lot of good accessories, and you can order the food and stuff on their webpage.
But why?
It doesn't actually.
But there might be a kid who wants to do make believe.
Hey, look, it has a thing in the back of its mouth so it doesn't swallow. Swallow your food.
This is why Abby does not need kids. It's like.
It is cute though, and it smells good.
And you think it was like what, $29.99?
Yeah, in that range, yeah.
All right, I might have to get one. It is
This
kinda
thing's
cute.
useless.
Well, that's because you're used to baby lives, so. But it is cute. All right, put your arm down so I can get one last shot of the little
Wait, it gotta
alien
be
baby.
cute. Gotta be
What
cute.
is, does this pacifier fit? It does. Oh, now that is cute. That is
It
cute.
would have been cute if it came with a blue binky.